Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We want to find the volume flow rate for the pump of kerosene. So the pump has a power rating of 3 kilowatts. The kerosene density is 0.820 kilograms per liter. And it is elevated to 31 meters. So the answer is A, 12.0 liters per second. This one's slightly tricky because they give you 12.1 liters per second as a second option. So let's go through and figure out why it's 12.0 liters per second. So we can skip step 1, there's no free body diagram. Step 2, list all the given variables, find the unknown. Step 3, find the volume flow rate formula using the power formula. So power, so W dot is equal to rho V dot G Z. So rho is your density, and that's for kerosene. Your V dot is volume flow rate, G is gravity, and Z is elevation. So we're going to rearrange for volume flow rate. So we're going to bring our density, gravity, and elevation to the other side. Okay, so it becomes power divided by density of kerosene multiplied by gravity multiplied by elevation. Step 4, now we just plug and play. So 3 kilowatts divided by 0.82 kilograms per liter multiplied by 9.81 meters per second squared multiplied by 31 meters, you'll get 12.030307 liters per second. So we're going to round that down to 12.0 or just 12 liters per second. So that's how you confirm the answer as 12 liters per second. Disclaimers: the method is correct, however, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Now before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC, just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can do this by using snipping tool. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not on your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program. Click on video option, click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.